Hello and welcome to my special edition for Sapphire 2026. We just wrapped the events in Orlando and Madrid, but this one was one of the most significant events in years. Not because of the sheer number of announcements, but because of what they signal together. So let me break it down for you. Across industries, companies are investing heavily in AI, and yet most are seeing only limited return. What we see is that it's not a model problem, it's a context problem. Above the waterline of the enterprise AI, large language models keep getting better at things trained on public data. But what enterprises actually need is AI that understands your mission-critical business data, your end-to-end processes, and operates within your security, compliance, and governance frameworks. Now let's have a look at what was announced in the area of data and analytics at Sapphire this year. The centerpiece announcement is the SAP Business AI Platform. And yes, I know, another new name which sounds familiar, fair reaction, but it's not another renaming. What changes is really architectural. The SAP Business Technology Platform capabilities become a core part of the SAP Business AI Platform to build, integrate, manage, and run enterprise AI agents, apps, and workflows. SAP Business Data Cloud provides the trusted data and business context. And SAP Business Transformation Management brings the process intelligence and the digital adoption capabilities to drive change at scale. So this becomes a single unified platform, one place to build, run, and govern enterprise AI. At its core sits the SAP Knowledge Graph, a structured map of business entities, processes, and relationships across your entire SAP landscape. This is what gives AI agents a compass, so they don't guess, they navigate. So, where does SAP Business Data Cloud sit in all of this? It's right at the center. BDC is the business data fabric, the layer that ensures every agent, every application, every decision draws from the same trusted, governed business context. The autonomous enterprise doesn't start with AI models. It starts with whether your data foundation can give agents the business context they need to act. Therefore, BDC is not just a data platform anymore. It is the context layer for enterprise AI. Now let's get into the actual BDC announcements, and there were 4 big ones. First, SAP HANA Cloud is now a core component of SAP Business Data Cloud. So HANA Cloud becomes the AI database for BDC, a unified in-memory engine that lets agents reason across transactional data, analytical data, and multi-model workloads like spatial, graph, and vector, all at the same time in one engine. Because it all runs on a single in-memory engine, together with SAP Databricks and Snowflake already in BDC, you now have the compute options for every data and AI workload all within BDC. Second, Reltio is in. The acquisition is complete and we will bring it directly into Business Data Cloud. Reltio brings multi-domain master data management into SAP Business Data Cloud, unifying, cleansing, and harmonizing data across SAP and non-SAP sources. Its AI-based entity resolution merges related records into single, consistent golden records for every business entity. With Model Context Protocol support directly built in, you get real-time multi-agent workflows on trusted master data. And alongside Reltio, SAP Master Data Governance is now also a component of BDC, ensuring every data product is verified and governance aligned before an agent ever touches it. So governance becomes part of the data flow, not a gate in front of it. So stay tuned for more details to come. Third, Joule agents will come directly into the business data fabric. So for data teams, this is a big deal. You will be able to create data products through natural language. Describe what you need. Joule identifies the right data sources, performs joins and transformation, and applies governance automatically. Planning and analytical modeling works the same way. Define your dimensions and data sources in a conversation, and the model gets built for you. For business users, ask a complex question in natural language. Get a context-aware answer that understands your business relationships, processes, and logic. So no manual exploration, no knowing where the data lives. And SAP Analytics Cloud story generation is part of this too. So Joule can take your data models and the business context and generate full dashboards and visualizations automatically. Fourth, BDC Connect is expanding, and the AWS integration just expanded significantly. So SAP and AWS announced BDC Connect for Amazon Athena. Bidirectional, zero-copy integration between SAP Business Data Cloud and Amazon Athena. What bidirectional means in practice, data stays where it is, business context is preserved, and SAP data products are immediately accessible across the broader AWS AI and analytics stack without replication and without delays. This expands the existing integrations with Snowflake, Databricks, and the planned ones for Google BigQuery and Microsoft Fabric. So the general availability for AWS is planned for H2 2026. So let me bring it all together. Sapphire 2026 was not about adding features. It was SAP making a clear architectural decision. The future of enterprise AI requires a unified platform where data, process knowledge, and governance all live in one place. And Business Data Cloud is the data backbone of exactly that platform. The platform just added significant capabilities and a clearer role in SAP's overall direction. Thank you for watching, and if you found it useful, give me a thumbs up down here and keep following me on LinkedIn for more updates. Take care and see you next time.